Don't call anyone. Don't call anyone. Don't call anyone. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone. Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me? Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Ask me anything you want. Ask me anything you want. Ask me anything you want. Did anyone call me? Did anyone call me? Did anyone call me? Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. I can eat anything. I can eat anything. I can eat anything. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. I can't stay here. I can't stay here. I can't stay here. Can I do anything? Can I do anything? Can I do anything? I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I will do it anyway. I will do it anyway. I will do it anyway. I don't cry easily. I don't cry easily. I don't cry easily. I finally got a job. I finally got a job. I finally got a job. I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. I changed my clothes. I changed my clothes. I changed my clothes. These clothes suit you. These clothes suit you. These clothes suit you. This really suits you. This really suits you. This really suits you. This may suit you. This may suit you. This may suit you. This dress suits you well. This dress suits you well. This dress suits you well. These clothes suit you well. These clothes suit you well. These clothes suit you well. These colors suit you well. These colors suit you well. These colors suit you well. Where should I put this? Where should I put this? Where should I put this? Who put this paper here? Who put this paper here? Who put this paper here? Put this in your pocket. Put this in your pocket. Put this in your pocket. May I put this here? May I put this here? May I put this here? Put this in your bag. Put this in your bag. Put this in your bag. I wonder who put this here. I wonder who put this here. I wonder who put this here. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your plan. Tell me your plan. Tell me your plan. Tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion. Tell me your problem. Tell me your problem. Tell me your problem. Tell me your story. Tell me your story. Tell me your story. Tell me your real name. Tell me your real name. Tell me your real name. At least answer me. At least answer me. At least answer me. I have to at least try. I have to at least try. I have to at least try. You have to at least try. You have to at least try. You have to at least try. At least say you are sorry. At least say you are sorry. At least say you are sorry. You have to go now. You have to go now. You have to go now. You have to hurry. You have to hurry. You have to hurry. You have to choose one. You have to choose one. You have to choose one. You have to choose one thing. You have to choose one thing. You have to choose one thing. You have to decide quickly. You have to decide quickly. You have to decide quickly. You have to decide quickly.